Like a Hi guys, it's me again, Gianna. Today we're gonna make blueberry pancakes. That's my favorite. So these are the ingredients to make the blueberry pancake. I'll show you. Oopsies. By the way, this is my birthday cake. Is it cute, isn't it? It has Dora, Boots, Isa, and backpack and map. It's a whole member. Today, we're gonna teach you the ingredients. Flour, egg, then what comes again? Brown sugar, and baking powder, and baking soda, and salt, milk and vanilla, melted butter, and blueberries. I'll show you how to make it. First, we're gonna whisk together. My tiny whisk! All the dry ingredients. What? It's gone. Like a hat. Beep, 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 beep. Whisk it together. Whiskey, whiskey, whisk. Nakasukamuter-muter. And cut it into half. Alright. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Almost there, Mama. There we go. Whoops. There we go. Nice and pink. I'll put this whisk right here. Here. Now for the wet ingredients. This one. Well, really, really wet. Maybe egg. Me love egg. Now that butter. There we go. Okay, Mama, it's time to whisk. My favorite thing is to whisk. And chop, 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 chop. Here it is. Our favorite. Mama, is this my favorite milk? Is it done? Oh, I'll keep stirring it. Nope, still more. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, guys, let's move on to pour these into here. Okay, I'll do it fast. Without spilling anything. Yep, mixing. Wow, so many lumps. Too bad we can't make any more. Even mushy and mushy. Just stir it. Oh, it's so hard. And now we're gonna add the blueberries. But I'll mix it first. A little bit more. There we go. Those ones, all of them. We're gonna fold it gently with this spoon. Mix it. Ooh, it's so creamy. And full of blueberries. Ooh, it's so heavy, and I'll shake it all up. I'll get the blueberries. Okay, the batter is ready. Okay, we're gonna prepare the pan. I'm gonna grease it with some lots of butter. Pink. This is enough. There we go. Some cream butter. Now we're gonna heat it back. Or medium heat. Careful, guys. It's going on. Mama, when it's done, I'll heat up. Ooh. I'm gonna scoop one little until it's full. There we go. Can I get some tissue, Mama? It landed on that grease. We're gonna cook for 2 minutes this side till it bubbles. Then Mama will flip it. Test. The buttercream looks good. The blueberries look good. But it's so sticky. Ewy. Sauce. It's heating, Mama. It's heating. Great heating, Mama. Spread, 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 spread. The ruin. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like them. Make sure to subscribe this channel. And make sure to have fun with it. Hello guys, it's me, Gianna. Today we're cooking our recipe with the blueberry pancake. I cannot wait until it turns out to. Oh guys, thanks for watching this channel or scooping. Make sure to have fun with it. Right now we're cooking and scooping this batter. Can I make 5 pancakes? Our blueberry pancake is done. Now I'm gonna pour honey over it. Okay, spin, spin, spin. Yeah. Spin honey. My favorite mixture. Oopsies, so I'm heading further down. One more scoop, and that's enough. Boop, boop, boop. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, make sure there's all of them. It's time to taste it, but it's still hot. Okay. But it's too hot for me. Okay.
How is it? Do you like it?
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Okay guys, see you on the next video. So fun making another cooking video show.
Iya. Foto dulu sama blueberry pancake-nya.
Mau pipis dulu.
Oh iya, pipis dulu.
Aku mau lagu.
Dah, oke.
Hai guys. Nggak kayak gini ya Mama. Hai guys. Nggak kayak gitu ya Mama.